Hello everyone, and welcome back to LifeCrafters Academy. Today, we have a very special topic to discuss: how to plan your dream wedding. Whether you're newly engaged or have been dreaming about this day for years, this video is here to help you make your wedding dreams a reality. Let's get started. Number 1. Getting started. The first step in planning your dream wedding is to set a budget. Determine how much you can realistically spend on your big day. This will guide all your decisions moving forward. Number 2. Create a wedding timeline. Next, create a wedding timeline. Decide on the date and season you want, and then work backward to set milestones for tasks like booking the venue, choosing vendors, and sending out invitations. Number 3. Choose your venue. Your venue sets the tone for your wedding, so choose wisely. Consider factors like location, capacity, and style. Visit multiple venues to get a feel for what suits your vision best. Number 4. Wedding style and theme. Now, let's talk about your wedding style and theme. Are you going for a classic, rustic, bohemian, or modern look? Your theme will guide your decor, color scheme, and overall vibe. Number 5. Vendor selection. Selecting the right vendors is crucial. Research and interview potential caterers, photographers, florists, and other vendors. Read reviews and ask for referrals to ensure you're getting the best. Number 6. Guest list and invitations. Creating your guest list can be a daunting task. Start by making an initial list and then narrow it down based on your budget and venue capacity. Once you have your final guest list, it's time to design and send out invitations. Number 7. Wedding attire. Don't forget about your attire. Start shopping for your wedding dress or suit early, and consider the attire for your bridal party as well. Alterations and fittings take time, so plan accordingly. Number 8. Wedding day details. Pay attention to the little details that make your day unique. This includes choosing your music, designing your ceremony, and planning special moments that reflect your love story. Number 9. Day of coordination. On the big day, you don't want to worry about logistics. Consider hiring a day of coordinator to ensure everything runs smoothly, allowing you to enjoy every moment. Number 10. Post-wedding tasks. After your wedding, there are still a few tasks to complete, such as sending thank you cards and handling any remaining vendor payments. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to plan your dream wedding. Remember, it's your special day, so don't forget to enjoy the journey and cherish the moments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more wedding planning tips and inspiration. We wish you all the best on your wedding planning journey. Congratulations, and happy planning!